That's fine.
That's as little as you can go. So tell us if you want to buy it, okay? Hey, I want to take a tape. I want to take tapes. I want to take tapes. Hey, get over here. I want to take tapes.
Well, I'm just getting a picture of you and Grandpa playing on the computer.
Ah, that's not fair.
Okay, now,
Hey,
whether
Daddy,
you
what's
fish for
this?
fun or if you want a near... Okay, thank you. You know the company even guarantees a refund in 30 days.
Daddy, what's this?
It's a cassette.
Man, this is small.
Any 2 or more sets, $25 each.
Which one is it?
Huh?
Which one is it? Oh yeah, I bought that. Yeah.
This is a nice book. Hello today, Nicola. Siamo tre alla tati. Per come una tati aloha.
Now, that's what?
2 sets.
Sets of 3.
2 sets of 3 equals
Okay.
$50.
2 sets of 3.
So here we are. We're watching the video with the video, and we're making copies
You're making a video
of the video making. Here's what the Hadallers from Hawaii are doing in the Bronx today.
Yeah, resting.
Watch out for the wire.
That's cool.
It is? Really? Truly honest?
Can I
Hey, what?
can I
Hey, am I bothering you? I'm filming right now, and
No, you're not.
you're hitting the camera.
Yeah, and
I'm not
it's
hitting you.
it's wobbling.
It
So you
is?
can watch what it looks like.
Oh, I see. Isn't that nice? I like that. That's nice. That's cute.
Everybody can see what they look like while I'm doing. And this comes on, so I can see what's going on, and you can see, and everybody can see what they look like.
That's silly.
That's nice.
That's cool.